Alright, this is going to be our best view of the Shard. And it's called the Shard, I'm guessing, because at the top it looks like shards of glass. We were going to go to the top to get some great views of London, but we got out too late from the Tower of London. And as you can see, it's quite cloudy out, so you can't see too much. But on a sunny day, that would be a great place to see London.
The Shard is a 95-story skyscraper designed by the Italian architect Renzo Piano. Standing 310 meters, or 1,016 feet high, the Shard is the tallest building in the United Kingdom, the tallest building in the European Union, and the 5th tallest building in Europe. It has 72 habitable floors and is home to offices, restaurants, apartments, and hotel rooms. It's comprised of over 11,000 glass panels, which takes 17 window washers 3 months to clean. In 1998, London-based entrepreneur Irvine Seller and his then partners decided to redevelop a 1970s-era high-rise building following a UK government white paper encouraging the development of tall buildings at major transport hubs. Seller flew to Berlin in the spring of 2000 to meet Renzo Piano for lunch. According to Seller, Piano spoke of his contempt for conventional tall buildings during the meal before flipping over the restaurant's menu and sketching a spire-like sculpture emerging from the River Thames. The tower's observation deck, the view from the Shard, was opened to the public in February 2013. The public can view the city from the 68th and 69th floors and from the open-air sky deck on the 72nd floor at a height of 244 meters or 801 feet.